say it's spring, this feeling light as a feather.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
Hello lovely people of the internet, it has been an unexpectedly long time since I filmed a video. Today I've got a little vintage haul from you. I just got back from visiting family in Australia and I of course went vintage shopping. I got tipped off by a friend of mine about an amazing vintage store in Melbourne, and then I also popped into my favourite antique store near my mum's house where I grabbed a bunch of jewellery and some vintage fabric. So I can't wait to show you what I got. God, my nails, I'm gonna have to do something about that. Well, now that I've painted my nails, I have to do something that's not going to damage them while they dry, so let's start with the jewellery. I picked up these very cute 1960s earrings from the antique store. Very cute, very 60s. They kind of remind me of pineapples, which is honestly why I bought them. Yeah, can't really go wrong with diamantes and lucite, I'm guessing. I also picked up a little diamante brooch. I just try to get these in lots of different colours because I love me some diamantes as a sparkly stage princess. So yeah. It's too small to really be wearing on stage, but who doesn't need a little bit of sparkle in their everyday life, you know what I'm saying? My mum also had a gift waiting for me. My mum loves spoiling me. I get my love of fashion from my mum, and when I was growing up my mum was sporting all sorts of fabulous vintage 1940s and 50s pieces, so she's to blame for my whole obsession really. But I came to her house and on the bed was this very cute clutch bag it's got pleating all over it. I don't know if you guys can see. I can block my face out and get it to focus on that. It's all pleated. It is really lovely, and it does have a chain. It does have a shoulder chain, but I almost never wear bags with a shoulder chain. I like me a clutch, so that's beautiful. I did actually already sport this one in a reel, but for those of you who don't watch my shorts, here she is. Then at the same antique store where I got the jewellery, I picked up some really cute vintage fabric. My absolute favourite is this one. It is covered in balloons. It's a really vibrant purple, blue purple colour, and yeah, covered in kites and balloons. See if you can see up close. How adorable is that? She's not enough to make a big circle skirt dress, which I was hoping to do. I really wanted a big swishy skirt with this, but she is enough to do a pencil dress, I think. So stay tuned. I will share the process of making that on the channel. They also had this terry cloth, I think. No, what do we call it? Jersey? You know, for tracksuit material. You can tell that I'm a sewing novice because I can never remember the name of any fabric. I do know, it's just buried in my brain somewhere because I literally never use the vocabulary. She's really cute, blues and purples with a sort of primrose pattern on her, I suppose, or a wild rose pattern. There we go. So I'm imagining like a 60s style lounging top with like the very wide stand-up collar that's like oversized. And yeah, probably 3/4 sleeves and maybe a bit of a crop to her to go with high-waisted pants. I think that might be really cute. I have seen a pattern online. I know it's for a size that's way too small for me, so I'm really hoping that I can find it. It's this pattern here. I just thought that top would be really cute. And I'm pretty sure I have enough material to stretch that out of this piece. The next piece is just a really simple, like slightly stretchy cotton, but it's in this yellow color with these sort of flecks on her, which gave me very vintage vibes. I thought she was really cute. And my mum spotted this pattern when I was scrolling through PDF patterns on Etsy. It's a French pattern and it's a jumpsuit, but it looks really comfortable and cute. So I think, hopefully, I have enough material to make that one work. So I have a bunch of sewing projects that I want to share with you guys, so I will film all of them. And last but not least, just a really fun novelty print. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see this okay. It's got these little vignettes all over it with horses and plants. I like the colour and the pattern is really cute and kitsch, so she's going to become a blouse. This next piece, you guys, will have already seen if you watch my shorts. She's a little 1960s number, a skirt and top ensemble. She is slightly too big for me, so I will need to take in the top, but I was so excited that I already styled her in the cutaway here. You'll see, yeah, she's beautiful, and she's got the really cute like lace detail along the bottom, as you can see. Just lovely. And she's in this slightly, if you can see up close, the grain in the material makes it look slightly flecked. It's really pretty and all in like a cotton, so lovely, sort of slightly loose fitting style for the warmer months. Again, most of these I actually filmed partially in Australia, so I've already had this one on. I think I might put her on again for the cutaway, but she is a nylon bathing suit. Is she not adorable? Here are the up close of her. She's got almost like a tiger stripe, but it's more brown, and this really cute pleated skirt. Just adorable with a little knickerbocker underneath, and this two spaghetti strap style with the two straps, and a full, as usual, built-in bra situation inside, all this rouging along the front, and the brand is Water Sun. There you go. But yeah, I couldn't pass her up. She was so cute. When I was at this store, I did actually post some Instagram stories and asked what I should buy. I did end up buying everything that I posted in the story, and you guys all voted that I should buy all of the items, so you know, I'm just doing what you guys told me. Gosh. And this is my favorite piece. It is so Sophia Loren. My gosh, I couldn't believe it when I saw this in the store. It is a rose print 60s, early 60s wiggle dress with like a low scoop back. Look at that print. Isn't she lovely? It's almost like watercolor style. Just the wiggle shape on this is to die for. And she's all fully lined. She is beautiful. So yes, Sophia Loren, eat your heart out. So that's the little haul, guys. I went through that quite quickly. I'm a little out of practice for videos, but I'm sure you don't want something too long anyway with me just blabbering on as I tend to do. So that's me. I know you guys haven't seen LouLou for ages. Look, LouLou, he's still here. Oh, I love him. And he turned 15 this month. My little old man. Hey. He's pissed. I just picked him up off of his bed. He was napping. He's like, for fuck's sake, Mum. I thought you all might want to say hello. I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, alright, I put you down. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. Let me know down in the comments which pattern you're most excited to see me make. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can always share the video with someone you think might like it. And you can always come and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I am Miss B Townsend everywhere. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!